Welcome, little dreamer. Find a cozy place and listen closely. Tonight, a gentle rain will guide us to a quiet forest tree, where a beautiful story begins. Deep inside a quiet forest, rain fell softly on leaves and branches. High above the ground stood a very old tree, strong and gentle, watching over the forest through the night. Inside the old tree lived a small child. The tree was the child's home, warm, safe, and quiet, high above the forest floor. Every rainy night, the child sat beside a small round window. Raindrops tapped gently on the glass, telling stories only the heart could hear. Shadows in the forest became stories. A moving leaf turned into a brave deer. A tiny light became a firefly guardian. Each story made the tree house warmer. The walls felt stronger, and the branches grew proud. The tree listened and remembered every story. When the rain grew heavier, the wind rocked the tree softly. Like a cradle, it swayed, keeping the child safe and calm. Below the tree, forest animals gathered quietly. They listened without a sound, as stories traveled through the rain and roots. The child looked out the rainy window and smiled. "I am not alone," the child whispered, feeling the forest listening back. As long as stories were told, the tree would stand strong. And every rainy night, the child would dream, safe, warm, and happy. The rain is slowing now, and the forest is resting. Close your eyes, breathe softly, and carry this peaceful story into your sweetest dreams.